I just arrived to Chile for my next sailing adventure. Last year, after the Cape Horn and Patagonia, we left the boat in Puerto Montt. Now our plan is to spend a few days in Patagonian channels and then head north towards Panama. Back to Pelican. So this is everything like sails, some lines of stuff like that. Before sleep here, we need to sort everything out. It's a lot of stuff, and I think this is my bed for tonight. And tomorrow is gonna be, and like next couple of days will be quite busy to sort everything out and prepare the boat to launch. Exciting! I arrived first on the boat, and while waiting for others, I cleaned the deck. To clean the boat is taking me much longer than I expected. It's quite dirty. The boat has a retractable keel, so there are two windows in the saloon to check the state of the keel. One of the windows was leaking, so we had to reseal it. Today is our launch day, and we're preparing the boat, sorting out sails and taking everything out from the cabins. High tide today is around 3 or 4, so that's the time when we're gonna launch the boat on the water.
Tamam, okey. Sorry, moment. Okay. Yes, let's go.
It's a bit tight.
Go a little bit more.
I think this should be.
Yes.
Tight a little bit the other side, yeah? Pull it? Yeah, perfect. No, too much.
Okay.
Yeah, that's perfect. Now it feels like summer.
Exactly. Too much sun. I can't believe we are fine this kind of weather here for the month.
The boat was launched and we docked. And yeah, now on a couple things left before departure, including shopping. And tonight we're gonna go shopping, and tomorrow do customs paperwork. And yeah, we're basically ready. All is good. It's good. When everything was done, we had a bit of time to explore the town. Today we completed most of the paperwork and we are clear to go. We're planning to leave on Saturday morning, depending on the wind, which is the day after tomorrow. But we're basically ready, the boat is ready. We left Puerto Montt and now we're moving south. The wind is against us today and tomorrow. On Monday it's gonna change to north and maybe we'll even be able to sail. It should take us a couple of days to get to Puerto Aguirre. And that's our destination for now. We're not gonna do any night sailing. We're gonna stop in base. That's the plan, at least. And yeah, it's going good. It's mostly motoring these days, but it's good. And in the next video, I will share a bit of Patagonia and Puerto Aguirre. Next video should be out in 1 week, also on Sunday. And thanks for watching, and see you in 1 week then.